Alright guys, welcome to your 8th Ruby tutorial, and in this lesson I want to talk to you guys about something called methods. Now you know how I said that objects have attributes? Well, objects can also have something called methods. Now, methods are the things that objects do. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this for a little bit. You know how I said everything in life is an object? I'm an object, my car's an object. Well, aside from just having attributes like blue, green, old, smelly, objects can also do things. For example, like I said, I'm an object. I can talk. I can eat chicken nuggets. I can make tutorials. These are things that I do. So these would be my methods. Now computers can also do things. Now they can't eat chicken nuggets and make tutorials like me, but they can do some things like print text on the screen, play sounds, make graphics. So those are the methods that computers can do, and those are the methods that we're going to be learning how to create. So let's go ahead and create a simple method that prints text on a screen. Now, just like attributes, all methods, or I want to back up because that isn't entirely true, but the methods that we're going to create in this tutorial, these methods have to go inside a class. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a class called Bucky, and I'm going to make a method. Now, in order to make a method, the very first thing we need to do is give it a name. Now, whenever we give a method a name, technically in Ruby programming, it's called defining a method. So we write def, and I'll just go ahead and name it talk because I'm just going to go ahead and print some text out on the screen, something I would say. So you can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name my method talk. So pretty much we need to give the method a title. Now, in the next line, we need to give it instructions. What do we want this method to do? Well, all I want this method to do is print something on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and write puts and write something stupid like, hi, my name is Bucky, exclamation point, and go ahead and hit enter. So that's all this method is going to do. We defined a method, its name is talk, and its job is to print something out on the screen that says, hi, my name is Bucky. Now, in order to end your method, go ahead and write end. Now, how does this know that we want to end the method and not the class? Well, it knows that we want to end the method because that's the most recent thing we're working with. So whenever we hit end first, it knows automatically that we want to end our method. Now, let's go ahead and write end again and hit enter, and it automatically knows that whenever we hit it this time, it means end the class. So think of this method as being embedded inside this class. So these three lines in the middle are the method, and this class Bucky and end at the end. End at the end. It's kind of a weird way to say it, but that's the class. And of course, we get nil, which basically means, okay, you don't have any errors, you're good to go. So now, with that being said, we have a method created. In the class Bucky, we have something called talk. So how do we use our method? Well, just like attributes, anytime you want to use anything in your class, you need to have an object. So I'm going to go ahead and make an object called BO, which stands for Bucky object. It also stands for body odor, but in this case, I'm just going to say BO equals Bucky object equals Bucky new. So BO is an object from the Bucky class, and of course, it's a new object. This is the first time we're creating it. Go ahead and hit enter. So now we have BO Bucky object stored at this location in memory. The location, not really important. So you know how in order to access an attribute, we go ahead and write the object, and then we use the dot separator or a period, and then we go ahead and write the name of the attribute? Well, this is the exact same thing with methods. In order to use this method, go ahead and write your object name, which is BO, period, and then the method name. Now go ahead and press enter, and now your method is going to run. Whatever instructions you have in that method, that's what is going to happen. So basically, all this method does is print out on the screen, hi, my name is Bucky. So whenever we call our method, which is talk, and press enter, it prints out on the screen, hi, my name is Bucky. So just remember this. Objects have attributes, and they also have methods. Attributes are like characteristics of the object, and methods are jobs that the object can do. So basically, just remember that objects, attributes, and methods. If you remember that, you'll be good to go. So this was a very basic method that we created. All it did was print something out on the screen, but these methods are going to get more complex, And there's more to methods than just creating a simple line, and you'll see there's a whole nother world that I didn't show you guys yet. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.